Hi Foodie, Chef Peter today, and I'm gonna make the crock pot right here in our Breville slow cooker barbecue brisket. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna take this in my hand. This is a brisket. Now I cut the big brisket. It was about this big, and I cut them up in pieces and froze them because we have just 2 people here in our home. And what we're going to do today is get your brisket into the pot. Okay, so let's take our time. I'm gonna do it with barbecue sauce. And you can make a rub on it. Now let me finish what I'm saying. I don't make a rub on it and go through all that. I just let the barbecue sauce do the talking. So right on top, the barbecue sauce goes on top of it. That's how I do it. You can do it your way, all right? I do it this way. I don't make a rub. I'm just doing a slow cooker version of this. And there is your barbecue sauce on top of your brisket. So I put it fat side down, not fat side up. I've got the meat side up, and I just covered the meat side with our barbecue sauce. About a cup of barbecue sauce. Use whatever you like. Make it easy or make your own, okay?
What are you using? What kind is it?
Today I'm using a barbecue sauce from a barbecue joint in San Diego. Okay, so there we have it.
What's the name of it?
It's from a barbecue joint in San Diego. Thank you, Anthony. Okay, so there we have it. So what I'm gonna do, that's how easy this is to do, and we're gonna go on low or high, whichever you like. Low for about 6 hours, high for about maybe 4 or 5. Check it for its doneness, and then I'm going to close the lid, and there we go. Okay, so remember, you can make your own rub, or you can put barbecue sauce. Do it the easy way, like Chef Pete does. Buy some barbecue sauce that you like, cover the top about a cup worth, and put a cup worth of broth underneath. I use beef broth, and you've got it. 2 cups of liquid will do the job. 1 for the barbecue sauce and 1 for your broth. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's. I'm gonna close the lid. Down he goes, and I'm gonna turn this puppy on because I can't wait to eat this later today. So this is Peter Carpizzo's wishing you the best. As always, out.